Hi, it's Ken, and this week I wanted to talk about an estate planning document that most of the time gets not included in your estate plan. And I've heard it called many things. I've used letter of instructions. I've heard someone call it a love letter, but really it's a letter and a form that for example, when I was doing my estate plan, would put together for my loved ones, for my wife, for my children. If something happened to me, it's one document that lists basically everything financial and important to me that I want my wife to know about to help pick up the pieces. So what does it do? Maybe there's a cover letter that says, explains, here are the first steps. If something happens to me, and typically in a household, there's one person that pays the bills, there's one person that understands all the finances and the savings accounts and all that kind of stuff. Maybe there's one person that talks to the CPA during tax time. And in my household, that's me. So if something was to happen to me, my wife would have a tough time trying to pick up the pieces. So what this document does is it says, if something happens to me, here are the first couple of calls you need to make. Here's my attorney's name and phone number. Here's the accountant's name and phone number. Here's the our investment advisor name and phone number. Make these calls first. They'll help you along the way. And then it goes on to include, here's our bank accounts, our credit cards, when those payments are due, how are they paid? Is it direct deposit? Here's our mortgage. This is the current balance. Here's how it gets paid. It's direct deposit from this checking account. It can also list other loans. Here's our car loan. It gets paid this way every month. And then it can take a step further. My health insurance at work. Here's the person that you would need to contact. HR person at work. Here's my life insurance. Here's the policy number. Here's the 1-800 number you're going to need to call. And then it can take a step further from that, and it can talk about here's our landscaper's phone number, our plumber's phone number, the snowplow guy. Here's his phone number. It can put together a real nice document for someone's family after something happens to them that really would help them pick up the pieces and really not miss a beat, understand all the finances, understand where money is moving from time to time, and really clean up, or not even clean up, but make sure that the finances continue to run smoothly even after I'm gone. So, in working with an estate planning attorney, or your accountant or investment advisor, this is a document. It's not a legal document. It's really just a form that anyone can put together that would really help someone, someone's family after they passed away, kind of pick up the pieces and make everything run smooth. If you work closely with your accountant, your investment guy, your attorney, ask them about it. Again, it's not a legal document. It's just really a letter and a form that someone could put together, and your accountant or investment advisor or attorney would help you put all that information together. And I've seen it in action, and it's a really nice document to have. It's one of those things when someone completes a will, they can kind of sleep a little bit easier at night. But a will only does so much. Having a document that lists all of your assets, lists phone numbers, lists your main contact people, who to call if something happens to me, and to know that all of those financial decisions, all of those financial items that need to take place, if something was to happen to me, to know that my wife would have this document, and there would be a smooth transition. She knows who to call to make sure that everything is going to continue to run smoothly. That's something that would definitely make me sleep easier, and probably you too. So I hope this video was helpful. If you like it, and if you really like it, share it, and I'll see you next week. Thanks.